From the survey responses, I learned that people concerned about issues like the abuse of women, the effects of social media on mental health, and the clash between tradition and modernization, gender inequality and STEM, and harmful stereotypes. Many believe that solutions involve better education, creating open discussions, supporting role models, and developing technology responsibly. This suggests working together as a community, involving everyone's voices, and measuring success by counting who participates, who benefits, and how attitudes improve over time. I will use this information to focus on awareness programs, workshops, and community events. I will try to bring different groups together to talk and learn from each other. I will support projects that help women and other underrepresented groups and STEM. I will promote the responsible use of technology and offer educational programs that help people think more deeply about the information they receive. By doing these things, I hope to create a more united, understanding, and fair community.